Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make WordPress a theme to Blogger theme. So guys, in order for you to do that, first thing that you will do is simply go to wordpress.com and make sure to sign in into your account. So guys, from here, just simply go to your site over here, my home. So from here, you should be able to see here on the left side of the screen, appearance, and you should be able to see here themes. So here on the themes, you can use the search bar over here and just simply search for a blogger. So from here, you will have multiple options that you can choose from. So it will be depending on you based on your brand. So just simply choose what do you prefer. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one, and after that you can just simply click on activate this design over here, and from here just simply activate adventurer. So I'm gonna click on that, and from there you should be able to have a new theme. So from here, you should be able to click on customize this design, and you will be able to make the WordPress theme to the Blogger theme. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.